Hi, welcome to Easy to Learn. Now we are going to learn about single inheritance in CPP.
In this video, we will learn about single inheritance. This is going to be a very short video because inheritance depends on access specifiers. To explain access specifiers, I need to explain basics of single inheritance. So if you know single inheritance, please switch to the next video, which is access specifier, which is one of the most important concepts in C++. Single inheritance is the most simplest type of inheritance. In single inheritance, we know there are only two classes. One is called the base class, from which you can have another class which we call it as derived class. So the syntax of inheritance is class, derived class name, then access specifier, followed by a base class name. Now we will write a program using two classes, class A and class B, to better understand this concept. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.